Look at that aggressive stance. For decades, the SS badge has represented the pinnacle of Chevrolet performance. But for 2026, the Supersport legacy is going fully electric. This is the 2026 Chevrolet Blazer EV SS. This isn't just another electric SUV. It's a high-voltage muscle car designed to dominate the streets of America. From the blacked-out hammerhead front end to the massive 22-inch wheels, every visual detail tells you this car means business. In this massive deep dive, we are going to explore the radical engineering behind its 557 horsepower powertrain. We'll look at the wide-open Watts mode that allows this SUV to sprint like a supercar, the Brembo braking system that brings it to a halt, and the high-tech interior that feels like a command center. This is the future of American performance. Let's dive in. Underneath this sharp body sits the heart of a champion. The Blazer EV SS is powered by a dual-motor propulsion system that delivers a staggering 557 horsepower and 648 pound-foot of torque to all four wheels. But the real headline is the wide-open Watts mode, or WOW mode. When activated, this SUV can rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 4 seconds. That puts it in the same territory as dedicated sports cars. This performance is built on GM's revolutionary Ultium platform, which places the heavy battery pack low in the chassis for a near-perfect center of gravity. This means that despite its size, the Blazer EV SS handles corners with incredible flat precision. Whether you're merging onto a fast-moving interstate or carving through a canyon road, the instant electric torque provides a level of acceleration that traditional gas SUVs simply cannot match. The design of the Blazer EV SS is a masterclass in functional aesthetics. Chevrolet designers drew inspiration from the Camaro and Corvette to give this SUV a true performance pedigree. The front features a unique blacked-out grille area with functional air curtains that channel wind around the front wheels to reduce drag. The roofline slopes aggressively toward the rear, ending in a dual-element spoiler that increases downforce. Every vent and line on the SS trim is there for a reason. The rocker panels are sculpted to pull air away from the car, and the rear diffuser is designed to manage airflow as it exits the underbody. Even the charging port door is motorized and hidden behind the front fender to maintain the car's sleek lines. It's a design that looks fast even when it's standing still at a Redevance charging station. To manage all that electric power, Chevy didn't hold back on the hardware. The Blazer EV SS comes standard with high-performance Brembo front brakes. Those massive 6-piston calipers provide the stopping power needed for a heavy-performance EV, ensuring zero brake fade even after repeated hard use. The suspension has been completely retuned for the SS badge. It features a track-tuned independent setup that balances daily comfort with aggressive handling. Chevrolet also included EAWD, which can shift torque between the front and rear wheels in milliseconds to maximize grip. Combined with the 22-inch performance tires, the Blazer EV SS feels glued to the road, providing the driver with a level of confidence that encourages spirited driving. Step inside and you're greeted by one of the most advanced interiors in Chevrolet history. The focal point is the massive 17.7-inch diagonal infotainment touchscreen, which is tilted toward the driver for a cockpit-like feel. This is paired with an 11-inch diagonal driver information center. The system runs on Google built-in, giving you seamless access to Maps, Assistant, and the Play Store. The SS trim adds unique performance touches, like the flat-bottom steering wheel and adrenaline-red microfiber suede seats. The ambient lighting can be customized to match your mood, and the panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light. Despite its performance focus, the Blazer EV SS is incredibly practical, offering a flat floor thanks to the EV architecture, which means massive legroom for both front and rear passengers. Performance is great, but what about the daily drive? The Blazer EV SS offers a respectable EPA-estimated range of around 290 miles on a full charge. While that's slightly less than the RWD trims, it's the trade-off for having 557 horsepower. When it comes to charging, the SS supports DC fast charging at up to 190 kilowatts, allowing you to add about 78 miles of range in just 10 minutes. Ownership costs in the USA are significantly lower than a gas-powered performance SUV. You can say goodbye to $100 oil changes and expensive transmission flushes. However, with all that torque, you should expect to replace the 22-inch tires more frequently. Budget about $1,500 every 25,000 miles. Chevrolet also includes an 8-year or 100,000-mile warranty on the battery, giving you peace of mind for the long haul. Insurance for an SS model will be higher than a standard Blazer, so be sure to check with your provider. So, is the 2026 Chevrolet Blazer EV SS the right choice for you? If you want an SUV that looks like a concept car and drives like a muscle car, the answer is a resounding yes. It's the perfect blend of American heritage and future technology. The pros: blistering 0 to 60 performance with wow mode, stunning, aggressive exterior and interior design, advanced tech with a massive 17.7-inch screen, practical SUV space with supercar speed. The cons: range is lower than non-SS trims, 290 miles. High starting price, estimated around $65,000 to $70,000. No Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Google built-in only. The Blazer EV SS is a bold statement from Chevrolet. It proves that going electric doesn't mean giving up on the soul of a supersport. Thanks for watching this deep dive. Hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments. Would you take the Blazer SS over a Tesla Model Y performance? See you in the next one.